Guys, good afternoon. Tomorrow it's Blessings Honey Bum's house, and today I prepare chicken asado. I make like almost 6 kilos or 5 kilos of chicken. Look at this. So guys, I just preparing lemon. Also this, I squeezing. Guys, put calamansi. Put pepper. A lot of pepper. And put this one. And then I mix it. Look guys, she never smile every time gonna slice like that. Smile to smell, to taste good and yummy the food. Look at her, she knows to slice the onions already, but she's not crying. Look at the onions. A lot. See that? Chicken asado. Short. Look at 50 cups. Mango jello. And I put condensed milk in mango jello. Look at my chicken. A lot. Ooh, look at that chicken oil. Is the dessert now, guys. Get ready to make it cool down. This girl pieces of like that because it's her favorite. Guys, good evening. Another vlog.